Today I received this care package which Sam's Detailing has sent to me very kindly. I don't know exactly what's inside other than a sample kit, so let's do the unboxing and see just exactly what goodies we have got. Okay, so as you can see, I literally have not been in here just yet, and we do need some scissors to get in here, so snip, and then we can get that out of there. And we need to cut this tape. Ooh, exciting. Ooh, we have a packing list. But that ruins the fun. So, there we go. So we have some paper, and there is the sample kit in all its glory. And we have something else in here, which is kind of hard. Interesting. It's very well wrapped, whatever it is. So we'll take that out. Take the sample kit out. Alright, very nice quality box. Looks absolutely lovely. So, this is just more packing paper. So let's see what this is. Hey, cool. Sam's beer. So this is brewed in England, low alcohol, 0.5% ABV, and it is a classic IPA. Very nice, I love my beer. So taste notes, light amber body, hoppy notes of pine and spice, tropical aromas, proudly low alcohol. So get rid of this packaging. Alright, so let's crack open the sample kit then and see what's inside. Alright then, I'm going to enjoy that Sam's beer later on. I cannot wait, I love an IPA. For now, we're going to get this open and see what's inside. So it's wrapped in plastic, so we just got to rip that off. It's like Christmas. Alright then, so the box is very nice quality. It's got Sam's signature on the top. It does say around the edge what is inside. That kind of ruins the fun, doesn't it? So we just need to lift the lid off and it will reveal the goodies inside. Oh, there we go. Are you ready? Ta-da! So, this is just the coolest little set ever. All of the items are in their own little place in the box. It's like you could put this on display and it would look amazing. Alright then, so let's start off with the first thing. Sam's Detailing Glass Cleaner. A unique gel formula that holds its position when sprayed onto glass, giving a streak-free finish whilst preventing those annoying drips. Sounds awesome. Alright, nice. Next up, Exterior Detailer. A quick detailer that is used on clean paintwork to give an extremely high gloss finish for that just waxed look in a short period of time. One of the most useful things in your detailing bag, a really awesome quick detailer for all applications. Nice. So this next one is very relevant to me because my RS, of course, has a ceramic coating on it, and this is Ceramic Boost. So spray on and rinse off to get an extremely hydrophobic effect on your paintwork, windows and wheels. Protection can last up to 3 months. So this will act like a quick detailer for me with my ceramic coat, which is absolutely awesome. It's really useful to top up ceramic coating every so often, every 3 months approximately, just to top up the hydrophobic effect. But of course you can use this, if you don't have a ceramic coating, you can use this just on its own and it will give you a good amount of protection for a good amount of time, and it's really quick and easy to use, which is awesome. I can't wait to give it a go. Sweet, I've been wanting to try this for ages. Alright, next up, very useful in any detailing kit is Iron Reactor. A gel-based formula that can be applied to any surface on your vehicle to bleed away iron contamination. So yes, you can use this on any surface. I would most often use this on my wheels because of course you get a lot of iron bits from other cars hitting your wheels. Your wheels are the closest thing to the ground. And of course, brake dust from brakes, which are outside the wheels. This, I absolutely cannot wait. It's going to be great. Iron Reactor, awesome. Alrighty. Next up, we have Interior detailer. A quick detailer for your interior, perfect for frequent use and leaves factory matte finish on all your interior surfaces. So, if you ever wanted to detail the inside of your car, but you didn't know what to use to make everything look awesome, this is going to be it. So once your interior is nice and clean, we just use this and everything is going to look awesome. Can't wait to try that out and show you how it goes. All right. Next up then, snow foam. Once diluted, our snow foam is safe for all ceramic wax and sealant based coatings. Use it to reduce the risk of swirl marks. It's hard to really understate just how important and how useful snow foam is. So I cannot wait to see just how awesome Sam's Detailing snow foam is. I have very high hopes for it and I cannot wait. Next then is shampoo, of course, what you then use after your non-contact clean, then you move on to a contact clean, and that is what shampoo is going to be for. So a slick pH neutral shampoo that is safe for all waxes, sealants and ceramic coatings. It's really nice that it says that. Some people are worried about certain shampoos, they might not be suitable for certain protection types, but this is suitable for all protection types, which is absolutely awesome. So yeah, here it is. I wonder what it smells like. Ooh, yeah. It smells like sweets of some kind of candy. Love it. Absolutely love it. Cannot wait. Okay, finally, and I've left this one to last specifically because this is a brand new product from Sam's Detailing and it's very exciting to be one of the first few people to get my hands on it. So this is ceramic wax. So it says, a carbon liquid wax infused with ceramic technology that offers traditional gloss with modern strength. Protection can last 8 to 10 months. That is a very long time. Regular Joe wax does not last that long. Ceramic coating, of course, will. One thing that people like though about using a traditional wax is that warm glow that wax gives. So that's why some people would shy away from using a ceramic coating and would stick with normal wax. This is like a hybrid between the two, so you get the best of both worlds, and that is absolutely an awesome idea, and I cannot wait just to see how awesome it performs. So absolutely fantastic innovation from Sam's Detailing. Okay, that is outstanding. A range of so many things that you really need to detail your car inside and out in different ways and in different situations. Really awesome. And yeah, I love this case. Oh, here it says something on the bottom. Every day we push forward to bring our vision of inclusive, easy to use car care to life by creating high quality products at a reasonable price. With simple instructions, we aim to create a community of both novice and expert detailers alike. Absolutely fantastic. So yeah, that's it. I can't wait to get out and start checking out these products. I'll be doing some reviewing as and when I can. If you want to get your hands on your very own sample kit from Sam's Detailing, jump on over to their website. It's samsdetailing.co.uk. Put one in your basket. They are £35, but if you use discount code ADAM5, I'll flash it up on screen, you will get £5 off, and also they're doing free delivery if you get a sample kit. So that is absolutely awesome, a really great deal, and you will not be disappointed. So we'll leave it there. That is an overview of the Sam's Detailing sample kit. You gotta get your hands on one. Well, all that's left for me to do now is to go and enjoy my Sam's beer, which you can also buy on the Sam's Detailing website. I would encourage you to give it a go. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, share and subscribe both to me and to Sam's Detailing. Jump on over to their Instagram and check them out. Sam has a really great feed. So yeah, big thank you to Sam's Detailing for hooking me up with all this awesome stuff. And thank you once again for watching. I'll see you soon.